Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method that lets store owners sell directly to consumers without stocking any inventory. When a customer purchases a product from a dropshipping store, a third-party supplier ships it directly to them. The customer pays the retail price you set, you pay the supplier's wholesale price, and the rest is profit. You never have to handle products or invest in inventory. Hi everybody. In this video, we will discuss 5 tips that will help you to earn from dropshipping. So, let's get started. Number 1. Finding the right niche. You have to meet the following 2 criteria to find a niche that will help you make money online from dropshipping. Number 1. It should be something you're passionate about. And number 2. It should be something that buyers are passionate about. Making money is important, but this shouldn't be the only reason you're in the game. If it is, you'll have no emotional connection to the products being sold. It will also be harder to deliver top customer service and build a brand you believe in. If you are passionate about what you sell, genuine interactions with other enthusiasts will be that much easier to pull off. The second part of the equation is that your niche should be popular, at least popular enough to sustain an e-commerce store. Conduct some research on social media or use Google Trends to see if the topic you're interested in is trending. Look for niches that are up and coming rather than well-established. Number 2. Establish a brand. To get the most out of dropshipping, your brand needs to be stronger than any of your products. Branding is one of the key areas where you can add real value, and remember that adding value means making money. You have to make that your brand should have these 3 qualities: quality, consistency, and value. Number 3. Automate the store. Most dropshipping entrepreneurs use a variety of technologies to automate as many repetitive tasks as possible. This will make your day-to-day business run smoother. As a result, you'll be able to spend more time on the activities that add value, finding great products, building your brand, and engaging with your customers. Number 4. Attend e-commerce events. If you're serious about making more money online with your dropshipping, attending an e-commerce event is a smart investment. You'll get the latest know-how and save yourself hours. You can get a lot of knowledge and tips about this business, like learn from other successful online stores, avoiding guesswork, get inspired, get direct access to wholesalers. Attending these events will give you direct access to a range of trusted wholesalers and retailers that may be interested in your proposal down the line. Number 5. Focus on customer service. To be successful and make money sustainably, you'll also need exceptional customer service. This is especially important for new business ventures. As recent research on customer support by HubSpot shows, customers are more likely to talk about an e-commerce store if they had either a very good or very bad experience. You can follow these tips to provide excellent customer service. Be on time with responses to inquiries. Honesty is the best policy. Provide a concise and informative FAQ section. Make customers feel like you know them. Fantastic customer support is a really clear way that you can add value as a dropshipper. This is it for today's video. Please click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.